think tank. This is going to be, it's going to be difficult for everyone. It's going to be difficult for those jurors. It's going to be difficult for the judge. I think everyone involved. It's going to be so sad, Sarah. I mean, all these young lives that were taken. The teachers were young too. I mean, it's incredibly heartbreaking. But there's going to be a trial because there's not going to be a deal. There's going to be a trial.
Yeah, and I speak here today as a lawyer, also as a mother of two young girls, but I also am speaking as a victim myself of a crime in a very high-profile case that was all over the national media and on the world stage for a long time. It was not a murder case, obviously, but again, very high profile, and the perpetrator in my case did plea. And what I want to say as a victim is that the legal process should be healing for these families of these children who lost their lives. And if the families feel that the death penalty is what they want and that could bring them some closure, then I say I'm all for it. A plea, in a sense, from a victim's perspective, can feel like the perpetrator has the last word, like he gets to dictate what happens to him, and that can be very unsettling for the victim or the victim's families. But if these families, want to go for the death penalty and they feel like that will bring them the most closure, even sitting through a trial, which can be arduous and grueling, like you said, and it will be, then I'm all for it. But I think what we need here is some closure. It's been 3 years. Let's stop kicking the can down the road. Let's stop blaming COVID. Let's stop saying that this kid needs to have his mental examinations taken in person. Let's get this done, and let's get these families some closure that they deserve.
Yeah, Bernarda,